I'm Dorrit Jacob, and my background is in geochemistry and mineralogy. At my university in Mainz, in Germany, they had a group which were dealing with gemstone research. And they had retail coming to them with problems out of the practicalities around retail. And at some point in time, we had people coming from the pearl retail and sales areas who came with us with a problem that their pearls had white spots and they couldn't sell them. And so myself and a colleague who came from the gem trade but who wanted to do her PhD a little bit later in life, we looked at this problem, and little did we know how this all flourished into, it got us into a fundamental research topic. We started out with jewelry, and we actually helped them solve that problem. We could find out why these pearls had white spots and how to improve the process. But it actually made us curious about how mother of pearl actually forms. And this then led into a huge dive into a fundamental research project and led to me building my career on this. So it was just a lesson around how you start out with curiosity and with a question that is brought to you by the public or by something that just catches your attention, and then can lead to something completely different where you get interested in the processes behind this. So for me, in my whole career or in my whole life, the most important question to ask is why. And I know we're often discouraged to ask those questions because they can lead you down a rabbit hole. But ever so often, this is a very interesting and fundamentally important rabbit hole. So today I'm one of the specialists worldwide in biomineralization, which is the study of how minerals formed by organisms function and are being formed. And we all have those minerals in our bodies. Your teeth, your bones are formed by your organism, but they're actually minerals, and so are pearls. And to understand these processes not only now affects jewelry trade, but it's also about the medical applications, and it is also important to understand how our paleoclimate archives, like corals and clamshells, incorporate the signals that we use to reconstruct past climates and to predict future climates. So it all started with a pearl.